Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use your PS4 controller on BlueStacks 5. First, make sure your PlayStation 4 controller is adequately charged for uninterrupted gameplay sessions. Next, enable Bluetooth on your computer. You can usually find this in your system settings or notification area. It is also important to ensure your computer's Bluetooth is set to discoverable, allowing new devices to pair successfully. Closing other apps that use Bluetooth helps prevent conflicts during the pairing process. To begin pairing, put your PlayStation 4 controller into pairing mode. Simply hold down the PlayStation button and the share button together for about 3 seconds until the light bar flashes rapidly. On your computer, navigate to your Bluetooth and devices settings, then click Add Device or Scan for devices. You should see Wireless Controller appear in the list. Click on it to establish the connection. Once paired, the controller's light bar will turn a solid color. Now that your controller is connected, open BlueStacks 5 and launch your preferred game. On the right-hand sidebar of BlueStacks, locate and click the Game Controls icon, which resembles a keyboard. From the drop-down menu, switch the control scheme to gamepad to enable controller input for your game. You can then drag and drop specific actions directly onto your virtual controller buttons, mapping your ideal setup. This allows for personalized and precise gameplay. After mapping your controls, it is crucial to test them within the game itself. Ensure every button and joystick input functions exactly as you intended. If you encounter any issues, such as unresponsive buttons or connection drops, try restarting BlueStacks 5 and then repairing your PlayStation 4 controller. Another common solution involves checking your computer's Bluetooth drivers and updating them if necessary. For persistent input problems, you might also consider calibrating your controller through your operating system's device settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.